Hey guys, this is the start of my PowerShell scripting series. In this video, I will show you how to use the Netsh command to change your network IP address via PowerShell. Netsh is a command line scripting utility that allows you to display or modify the network configuration of a computer that is currently running. And these commands can be ran via PowerShell or a bat script, but let's get on into it. I already have the PowerShell ISE open. First, let's look at the interfaces. And you can actually see, before I even run that command, you can actually see how I have everything commented out on what it's going to do. All right, the first one, it shows network interface configuration. All right, so we want to run this command in PowerShell so you can see what all the different network connections are on this machine. All right, the ones that we're concerned about right now with this test are the local area connection, and pay close attention to the way it's labeled, local area connection, because you're going to need that when you get ready to make your changes. All right, and also on the wireless network connection, and you can actually see right here the most important thing is for these interfaces, DHCP is enabled, but it says no. All right, this right here means basically that it is a static IP address, and so you can see both of these guys are set to static IP address. They both say no, and you can see even the wireless already has, the wireless is not even connected, and it has a static IP address. So, and the same thing goes for this guy right here. So what we're going to do, first things first, all right, we're going to go and change the local area connection to DHCP. So what that means is it's going to, once we change it from static to a DHCP, DHCP says that, hey, it's going to issue an IP address to this machine. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is the standard networking protocol used on IP networks for dynamically distributing network configuration parameters, such as IP address for interfaces and services. All right, so next, now I'm going to go ahead and hit run. All right, and if you can, before I hit run, just look over here. You see this guy right here? This right here is the local area connection. This is the first one we're going to run first. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit run, then you're going to see it update down here at the, all right. So what I have to do in order to see what happened, I have to run this command again. And you can actually see right now it says yes. All right, so that means that it is actually getting IP addresses from the server. The server is this 1.200 machine right here. This is the server right here, and it's issuing out IP addresses. And you can actually see right here it says DHCP is enabled. All right, so next, all right, let's go back and say, let's go and change the, let's change back to a static IP address. All right, so with this command right here, it says, you can see right here, it says change static IP address of local area connection. All right, that is the local area connection. It is set to yes. You see it's still highlighted. So what we're going to do, let's break down this command. All right, of course, you see you have your name right here. All right, you also have static. This right here is very important in order to set a static interface or static IP address on an interface. All right, so now I'm going to go here. I'm going to run this command. But the Netsh, this right here is the show basically, so you can see what the network configurations are for your interfaces. So I just ran it again. It is, and you can see right here the local area connection. It is set to no again, and look at the IP address. It changed from a 50 to a 75. And that matches the static IP address in our netsh command. So next, let's flip over to, let's look at this wireless network connection. All right, the wireless network connection is set to, it is also set to no, just like we talked about earlier. So now I'm going to go ahead and run this command. Let's run it. All right, cool. Now let's go and check it again. And wireless is set to yes. It has an IP address of 1.52. And you can actually see right here, it does have the DNS service configured through Dhcp and 200. There you go. Again, you see it works for wireless and whatever the name interface is. This is just the tip of the iceberg for what Netsh and PowerShell can do for you on your network. Thumbs up this video if you found it very helpful. Thumbs up this video if you would like to see more PowerShell video, and also subscribe to my channel.